Let's say you're at a grocery store. Could you possibly make money with those gluten-free instant oatmeal you see at the shelves? Welcome to Finan Simple, where money is made easy. And here are 5 investments you can make using just $10. Wait a minute, $10? That's a pretty small amount of money. Could that amount really be invested to make more money? Well, if you're really committed to making that money, then this video is for you. So you are not from a rich family, yet you are also not from a poor one. You are from the middle class, but what does that mean? In reality, being middle class already means being poor since they do things completely differently from being wealthy. For instance, the majority of individuals in the middle class and the lower classes like working hard to earn money before going shopping after work. If they aren't purchasing goods like Switch, French fries, and equipment, they are likely purchasing liabilities such as monthly subscriptions on Netflix or mobile plans and even credit cards. These are all unnecessary purchases that those in the middle class often have. There is only one way to escape the loop that is happening from doing this. You must learn to start investing. If you don't invest now, you won't become the type of person who will invest tomorrow. Why? You are already becoming the person you will be based on the decisions you make today. Wealthy or even financially secure folks perform a certain thing. You understand what it is? They invest. They make purchases that generate revenue. In the case of appreciation, let's say you purchase something. It either increases in value over time or, if you purchase it frequently, provides you with a benefit. It provides you with income and eventually pays for itself. At the end of the day, wealthy individuals put a lot of effort into making their investments profitable. Poor individuals put a lot of effort into earning money just to waste it on useless items. Today, we are going to demonstrate a few different investments that will allow you to take something as tiny as a $10 cash and actually transform it into something. The pattern and habit will change the way you think and how your brain is wired, and it won't take long for tiny expenditures to grow into significant ones. Let's get started. Number 1. Some investments do demand quite a bit of money, while others don't require a lot. Among them is cryptocurrency. There are several cryptocurrencies, and you may have heard of some of them, but Bitcoin is by far the most well-known. Did you know that you may purchase a portion of a Bitcoin regardless of if it sells for $10,000, $38,000, or whatever the current price is? You could purchase a Bitcoin for $10, and guess what? Although investing in cryptocurrencies is very risky and you shouldn't put all your money into them, many people think that they will someday become the norm, which has caused the price of Bitcoin to soar. Number 2. What about investing in stocks? That must cost a lot of money, right? No, not always. 9 of the finest cheap stocks to purchase right now may be found for literally less than $10 according to the US News and the World Report. Take note of the following names: Zynga, Ambev, SiriusXM, ADT, Nokia, and other names that are hard to pronounce. The good news is that these stocks don't cost a lot of money and are going someplace. $10, in fact. Number 3. Everyone is telling you nowadays you need a website. Nothing is possible without a website. But guess what? You need a domain name if you want to create a website, and guess what? They have a modest price tag. You may look for a website by visiting GoDaddy.com or one of the other hosting services. Did you know that you may occasionally spend as little as $10 to get a domain? Normally, you utilize the website and use it for something. However, a lot of individuals just buy websites, keep them, and let their value increase. Here's the problem. Most of the .com domain names have already been taken, but fortunately not the .us, .net, or other domains. Therefore, individuals are willing to spend the $10. They may purchase a website, and one day, someone like you may approach them and ask, "Hey, can I buy it for a lot more money than you paid?" Number 4. Did you know that there is a brand new website where you can buy little chunks of small businesses and effectively get a 5% return on your investment? Worthy Bonds. On this peer-to-peer investing platform, investors lend money to small firms in increments of only $10, which is also the minimum investment, and the bonds provide a 5% return on your investment. Now, there will be a bonus at the end before sharing the fifth and last investment of what you can achieve with $10. Stick around to find that extra method to invest $10. For the fifth, education. Yes, even something as basic as purchasing a book would be helpful. For instance, you could provide books for free by making people want to buy the book. However, they must pay for shipping and handling, so they pay $7 or $8. Here's a question for you. What if, for instance, You had the opportunity to purchase a book that can help you generate money regardless of its content from someone who has spent their whole life learning about and mastering it, and you may do so for as little as $10. That's a steal deal. There are tons of books that can help you learn more in generating money. Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich, Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad Poor Dad, Millionaire Next Door, The Biology of Belief, and so much more. All of these books can help you elevate your knowledge in the market that you may maximize your earnings in your own way. You should try and read at least one or two books every month in your life. Take the lifetime labor of one individual and devour it in a couple of hours because, guess what? That is one of the finest methods for drawing the best information from a person's brain. If you read one small book and come away with $1 million idea or even $100 concept, you would have had a 10 times return on your investment. This is all because you took your time to read that specific book. Anyone may get wealthy in these ways. You begin with a tiny amount, such as $10, and you invest it after learning how to transform it into $100. After that, one of two things will occur. Either you'll say, hey, I'm going to go spend that $100 on something that will never bring me money. Or you'll say, I'm going to do it again. I'm going to take that $100 and figure out how to make it into 1,000. If you can take that and convert it into 1,000, 10,000, and eventually $100,000, you'll have made $1 million in no time. Now the bonus. Bill Gates, one of the wealthiest people in the planet, failed to graduate from Harvard. So, in the end, you want to take a tiny sum of money and put it towards something more significant, like starting a small business. However, a business occasionally needs a small amount of labor, so if you do nothing with a business, you will make nothing. It is astounding how simple it is to become a successful investor if you can stop being a consumer and stop wasting your money. An investor who declares, I'm going to be wise, I will be knowledgeable, I won't put all of my eggs in a single basket. I'm planning to invest my money in various areas. When you excel in the game of money, you start searching for investments known as asymmetric investments. It implies that there is virtually little risk involved in investing your money. Your upside potential is really great. The most successful investors act in this manner. That was how to invest your money for as low as $10. Learn to explore various investments such as cryptocurrency, the stock market, buying website domains, worthy bonds, education, and the bonus of small businesses. Take what you think fits with your niche and allow yourself to grow and develop financially. Always stay focused on learning and developing discipline. Get educated, make a plan, and stay the course. If you found this informative, smash the like button, please share it with a friend, comment down below, and let us know what would you like to have made Finance Simple next. And definitely subscribe so you don't miss new content. Keep your head up, ears open, and always search for knowledge. See you soon!